So up to the housetop the reindeer soon flew, with a sleigh full of toys and St. Nicholas too. Down the chimney he came with a leaf and a bow. He was dressed all in fur and his belly was round. He spoke not a word but went straight to his work, and filled all the stockings that turned with a jerk, and laying his finger aside of his nose, then giving a nod up the chimney.
This is in very good shape. It works very well. It comes with the record I was just playing, which was the Night Before Christmas. Good habits and good manners. Learn about science and weather. And I may make another video playing the other two records so you can see they work. Thanks for watching.